This one chemical wash. Completed already. You see now?
Steady bang.
The flap also working.
Yeah.
Hey, boss also need to work. If not, how to know so many things?
Understand.
You see, if we don't work on the ground, we also don't know their problem.
Yeah, agree.
Because when we just started, I can tell you, everybody when just started, most aircon company, the bosses they need to come down to work one. If they don't go down to the ground to work, they will never understand the difficulties of visiting the customer, of different layout, different house, different situation, how to fix all the problems. So basically, all this experience, right, make me do not want to stay inside one place, like for example, office, 9 to 5. I tell you, boring.
Someone you used to go to people's house last time when they started.
Yes, and every day is a challenge.
Yeah.
You will never know tomorrow what to expect unless the house you keep going every day, every time.
Understand. At least you go, you know to rectify what the problem is. Right?
Yes. Then sometimes, right, it's also very interesting to see certain problem that we never see before, we never hear before. Every day is a new day. That's why we are very happy while we are working. And as long as our customer is happy, we also happier. So basically, work life no need to be work hard, work like a dog, then go back shake, tired, cannot do anything.
Enjoy important.
Yes. So if you enjoy your work, it's never tiring already.